Mitsubishi Motors Corporation has commenced exports of its latest Xforce compact SUV from its Indonesian manufacturing facility, PT Mitsubishi Motors Krama, Yudha, Indonesia. The announcement was made during a commemorative ceremony at Tanjung Priok port, near Jakarta, attended by dignitaries from the Indonesian and Japanese governments alongside Mitsubishi Motors affiliates. The Xforce SUV is set to penetrate the ASEAN market, with Vietnam being the inaugural destination. Following this, the vehicle will be gradually introduced to other ASEAN nations, including the Philippines, before expanding into South Asia, Latin America, the Middle East, and Africa. This strategic move underscores Mitsubishi Motors' commitment to broadening its global footprint while contributing to the economies and automotive industries of these regions. Takao Kato, President and CEO of Mitsubishi Motors, expressed pride in exporting vehicles from their Indonesian hub, highlighting the company's aspiration to extend its reach across diverse regions. He emphasized their dedication to enhancing the Indonesian economy and fostering the development of the local automotive sector through expanded exports and manufacturing capabilities. In addition to the Xforce SUV, Mitsubishi Motors recently ventured into electric vehicle production in Indonesia, marking a significant milestone. The introduction of the Minicab EV, a kei-car class electric commercial vehicle, demonstrates the company's adaptability to emerging market demands and commitment to sustainability. This diversification underscores Mitsubishi Motors' agility in responding to evolving consumer preferences and technological advancements. The Xforce SUV, tailored for the Vietnamese market, boasts a 2WD drive system and compact dimensions measuring 4,390 by 1,810 by 1,660 mm, equipped with a 1.5L DOHC 16-valve MIVEC engine. It delivers impressive performance with a maximum output of 77 kilowatts at 6,000 RPM and torque reaching 141 Nm at 4,000 RPM. These specifications reflect Mitsubishi Motors' dedication to providing innovative and reliable vehicles tailored to meet the needs of diverse markets.